Friends, welcome back to another episode on my YouTube channel Dr. Nilesh Advice. Today's discussion is about the bedwetting, but when to go to the doctor for the advice. You must have seen my first video on the bedwetting where 2 steps, motivating and the training, how it will be helpful. I hope you will like this video as well. If the child is already toilet trained, it is more than 6 months child is already toilet trained, and if he is showing some of the signs that he has increased his frequency of the passing the urine in the daytime or in the night time, he is passing more than his usual quantity also, then you need to seek the medical advice. Generally, bedwetting to be consulted if even after the training of first 5 years of the life child is not toilet trained and he is passing urine in the bed in the night or in the day. Suppose child is already toilet trained, he was dry in the night, he was not passing the urine in the night for more than 6 months. Now he has started to passing the urine in the night and the day, or in the night or in the day. Another thing is when the child has any pain while passing the urine, or he is feeling some burning discomfort while passing the urine, or child is straining while passing the urine, then you need to consult the doctor. When child is doing little bit strain and then he is passing the urine, like child is coughing and he is passing the urine, or child is running and passing the urine, child is laughing and passing the urine. So smaller strain, if child is passing the urine, then it is a concern that you have to see the doctor. Child is dribbling in the form of drops of the urine throughout the day or throughout the night, then it is a concern that you have to see the doctor. If the child is passing orange colored urine or the red color urine, or his undergarments are getting stained with the blood or pinkish color stain, then you need to consult the doctor. If there is a sudden change in the child's behavior or the mood, he is getting more angry, he just sit in one place, he is not communicating with his friends, he is not showing interest in his surrounding, then it is a sign that you have to consult the doctor. If the child is passing the stool along with the urine, means he does the pee and poo both at the same time, then it is a concern that you have to show to the doctor. The child is showing any problem with his walking, like his gait is changed, he is not walking normally, or he has to put one pressure on one leg and another leg, or he has to rotate his legs to walk, then it is a concern that you need doctor's advice. So friends, I have elaborated the symptoms for the bedwetting which requires medical attention, for which you have to go to the doctor for the advice. I hope you must have liked these informations. If you like this information, then share with other parents to acknowledge them, and you can subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.